I don't look right, I don't feel right. I'm permanently stuck in a red light with a cheap suitcase and a mile-wide grin. And now a man is moving in. It's a full-on cluster. It's a supernatural disaster. How did we get here, baby? Under this broken light, scraping out another small-time deal where there used to be nothing but rainbows in sight. Devils slide down the gutter. Demons reach through the gate with great little horny toad voices. Can't even think straight on a good day. What a cluster. What a supernatural disaster. We used to roll like an 18-wheeler down the open road. A thunder made a thundering sound over the hills and to the next town. None of this NIMBY slinking around. None of this tippy-tapping in secret code to say. Bibbidi, 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 bop, bop. Bibbidi, 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 bop, bop. Full-on cluster. Full-on cluster. What a supernatural disaster. Full-on cluster. What a supernatural disaster. Bibbidi, 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 bop, bop.